Hello friends. Now let us take up the unit number 5 in this C1A workshop. More practice for the perfection. Really, you require more and more practice to acquire perfect command over functions. Until unless you acquire perfect command over functions, you never become a right programmer, a proficient programmer. That is 100% sure. Not only in C language, in other language, advanced languages like C family of languages, C++, Java, C sharp, etc. Actually, whatever you call functions are called methods in Java. Though, of course, those are simplified C functions. So, you must, this is the right place to master functions. Why functions are so important means all the operations performed by the programs are performed by functions only. Why we are writing programs for performing operations on data? That's why we must acquire perfect command over functions. In order to enable you to crystallize your knowledge in this unit, 5 different functions I am giving. Through that, you are able to understand many elements. Theoretically, if I explain you also, you may not know that. With a reference to a program only, I can explain it to you, then only you can understand them, you can own them immediately. That's why what I suggest you is, here first I have given the list of these 5 programs, just problems I have given. Don't see my lectures also as far as this unit is concerned. You make your own trials. If you fail also, I don't mind. You make your sincere trials. By that, you can understand the intricacies in writing function oriented program. That is very important. You may have a lighter opinion. If you are really good, you feel it lighter and you perform it well, then I appreciate. This is the first hand. Otherwise, if you have lighter opinion and if you are not able to progress, if you are not able to write few lines of code, then your opinion is wrong. So you must understand the truth. What is your real knowledge? That's why the 5 problems you take up, then write your function oriented programs on your own. Then you see my explanation, my code, everything. Or otherwise, if you don't have that much perseverance and all that, take up the first issue, first problem, write the program, and if you are successful or if you fail also, don't worry, then you see my program. Don't copy that. By copying, you never become a programmer. That point you understand. And one more very important point, what I have to explain in this context is, this is the second workshop. Actually, I name it as 1A. Actually, first workshop 3W, yes, C, first workshop, we have given programs and all that. Those are not function oriented programs. Only for providing you, introducing you programming to training, career training, and to know your compatibility and all that, I have introduced that. Whatever programs you have developed and all that, those are not true function oriented programs. So all those programs we are converting into function oriented programs. So first workshop is zero based, 100% zero based. I don't expect any knowledge for understanding those elements to write the corresponding projects. But for this workshop, you must have background. Without having proper background, relevant background, you cannot get any benefit, you cannot reap the benefit out of this workshop. That's why I am prescribing you uh, one approach. By that you can acquire the knowledge. So this is not too much. Just if you, whatever may be your background, or it is zero background also, 1 week of preparation is required. For this purpose, I have to explain the scheming of this All Clear book. All these this text is already uploaded, you can download, or otherwise if you are not comfortable with the downloading, taking printouts and all that, or watching lectures on YouTube, suppose you may have slow internet connection or you may not have internet connection, otherwise you are not able to bear the cost of internet. In all such cases, if you want, you can purchase this video book. This is a video book, textbook with the corresponding DVDs of around 50 plus hours. So you never have internet connection and need not require an internet connection, and simply you study the book, you watch the lectures. Okay. Now I tell you the scheming, how we are providing all this. Actually, in this book, see first and second chapters, I converted, transformed into 3WS C1 workshop. Already you uploaded the material, also you can download. These are nothing but first and second chapters. Okay. And again, ninth chapter we have converted into 1A workshop, C1A workshop. Okay. In between, 6 chapters are there, 3 to 8. You, in order to understand each and every element in this and achieve perfect command over this, you must have this knowledge. That is the essential prerequisite. In these 6 chapters, we elaborately discuss everything, basic elements of C, C operators, C selection control structure, loop control structure, and programming basics. These concepts we elaborately discuss, and maximum 1 week time is enough for you. If you are able to successfully complete this workshop, and 1 week time is enough for you. After completion of this, you come to this workshop. Then after completion of this workshop, 100% I can give you assurance, you think differently. You feel like a programmer, a professional programmer, no doubt about that. But without having this background, if you come to this, you can understand fewer things only, but you never achieve perfect command over this. Once again, I am reminding you, this is not college oriented study. This is purely career oriented placement training. So that's why you have to, whatever you study and all that, you must be in a position to transform that knowledge into skills. Then only you can sell your skills to the companies. Why companies should pay to you? So all your, first you have to acquire knowledge, thereafter you have to transform your knowledge into skills. That point you must understand, and then proceed. Just immediately, if you successfully complete C1 3WS C1, don't rush into 1A. 1 week earmark. Otherwise, if you require 10 days time, you take, nothing wrong. Thereafter, you come to this. At the end of this, you think totally differently. You feel like a professional. Thereafter, vertically you can go. You can go for advanced C projects. We are going to introduce many workshops in C. Thereafter, same projects, whatever projects you are performing here and all that, are transformed into C++ workshop as well as Java workshops. Then that is a wonderful strategy. Then you can automatically understand, you yourself can understand what is the advancement of one language over the other on your own. For that, no explanations, descriptions are required. In that way, within a short span of time, all these for mastering everything to become an industry ready candidate. Maximum you require 100 days, 100 days of your endeavor. Everything is in our hand. Your commitment, hard working, perseverance, a passion, and ultimately you must be in a position to enjoy subject. Once you reach that one point of time, you start enjoying the subject, then sky is the limit for your progress.